Not bad. Okay, that's on high. By the way, the PVC only gets warm, but it doesn't get hot. You think this might get hot like this, running? That doesn't even get warm hardly. Just fire it up, put it on a table next to you. It gives you great heat output and diffusion from the hairdryer. That works awesome. Diffuses the air coming out of the hairdryer so there's no hot spots. But it just makes the entire area like super warm in front of you. I got that thing on warm, low setting. Makes one big pocket of warm air right in front of you. Instant warmth. Working unbelievably good. In like 30 seconds, you're totally warm. Okay, then you just take the T section, slip the clamp over it, like that. Okay, about like that. Okay, now let's compare that to a standard professional quality room heater. That's on low. Now let's put this on high. 1429, 1438. So this one even on low uses 1,000 watts. That one on low uses 500. Between the two of these things, that one in the back seems to put out about 5 times more heat than this. That homemade version in the back works a lot better than that little one right there.